I'm Carl from Newberg Public Works. I have a short demo of so-called flushable wipes. We're going to take one wipe here, so-called flushable. See the dimension of it. Put it in this guy. And some toilet paper, same size. Put it in this guy. I'm going to shake these. So what happens is, when you flush something down the toilet, it goes into the pipes, and there could be roots, offset joints, stuff like that, that the wipes get hung up on, grease. So then the grease gets hooked onto the wipes and the roots, and then we have a sewer backup. It could go into your house. It could come out of the manhole. Creates a lot of issues. Okay, so now I haven't shaken it that long, but we can show you how this one just dissolves into little pieces. As this one, the so-called flushable wipe, is the identical shape and size, and it doesn't come apart. Everybody, we're here at the wastewater treatment plant for the city of Newberg. This is where all the wipes come to the bar screen, get screened out, and put into a dumpster.
What we're going to see inside is a big old dumpster full of unflushable wipes.